Tired of scrounging YouTube for math help? ThatTutorGuy.com has videos covering everything from pre-algebra to calculus, chemistry, and physics, all taught by a Stanford-educated tutor with 10 years experience making hard classes easy. Because I'm a tutor, not a teacher, I don't lecture. All the videos on the site are aimed at showing you how to do the problems in the quickest and simplest way possible. Math is hard, and the simple truth is that 90% of students can't learn from a textbook, and the examples in the book are almost never as hard as the problems on the homework and test anyway. So I work tons of examples and show you the tricks teachers pull for each type of problem.
Finding videos is easy. Either follow along with your class, look up topics by their Common Core numbers on our Common Core pages, or do a site-wide video search. Follow the link below each video result to go back to the page that video came from to make sure you don't miss a thing.
I've been tutoring these classes for a long time, so I know the explanations that work best for each topic in each class, and that's what I put in the videos. Whether you're trying to get your pre-calc grade from a B+ to an A-, or you're just trying to get through college algebra on your third try, ThatTutorGuy.com can help you reach your goals.